Edward.
Yes, sir.
56 GMC. Is that a yellow? All right, these are in no order or whatever. We just got 15 winners. The yellow, pick them up. 1956 GMC with the bicycle. When it breaks down, he can ride that bike. Here he comes. Here you go. Here he comes right here. There you go. Turn around. They're taking pictures of you. Well, looking pretty. Look at you. Wow.
Thank you.
All right, how about the 1951 Mercury, the green one, Bob? Green Mercury. Come on up, Bobby. Where are you, Bobby? All right, well, he'll be here in a minute. There he comes. There he comes. 1957 Ford convertible, the longest car on the lot. Jim?
Thank you. You're quite welcome. That's a nice car. They're going to get our picture here.
Jim got a winner here. There he is.
Okay. All right. That is a beautiful car.
Thank you, sir.
Did you do that work yourself?
All done the custom shop, but I've been keeping up as I go. And every time you think of cruise, I just finish all.
All right, here's another trophy. That's
Heat proven installation.
Bob. Jim. All right, there's Jim right here, the next one. All right, I got to, hold on, I got to find out about this one. Hold on. The Cobra, Bob. Cobra, come on up, Bob.
57 yeah. That is.
Y'all didn't put colors on these things. It messes me up, some of them. The 66 CUDA. Here's Bob. The 66 CUDA.
Here, we have to smile for the camera.
66 Barracuda.
Very much.
Where's the 66 Barracuda man? 66 Barracuda. Did you find out what the Chevelle was y'all picked, guys? Edward. What color Chevelle? Don't know. Y'all picked it, you don't know. Y'all killing me. All right, I don't know how many 60s. The black 1967 black Chevelle. Black Chevelle. Did we find a 66 CUDA? Hey, they gave it to me, man. That's all I'm doing is calling them out. I don't know.
1970 green CUDA.
1970 green CUDA.
You know these young kids don't know that.
1970 green CUDA. And the black 67 Chevelle. Here he comes. The 71 green CUDA. Or the green one, whatever it is. Oh, hey.
You're quite welcome. Here, right there, going to get our picture.
Crown Victoria.
Please tell me anything about this.
Okay.
We done?
All right, the 1956 Crown Vic. 1956 Crown Vic. I think it's the pink and white one out there.
He's got the CUDA, right?
You got the CUDA, right?
Curious yellow.
Curious yellow.
Serious yellow? Curious yellow. I was curious where they got the 66 CUDA from.
I think
All right, here comes the Fairlane winner coming up here.
We're good.
You done it? Okay. All right. Sorry, didn't mean to get you taken.
The Nomad. The Nomad. We know a date on it, a number or whatever year. The Burgundy Nomad. There he comes, 57. 57 Nomad coming up. 47 Chevy pickup truck. 47 Chevy pickup truck. 47 Chevy pickup truck. Huh? Rick? I think it's Rick. Brett? Red. Whew, boy. All right, we're getting it. 50, red 47 Chevy. Cecile, that's yours? Come on. 61 white Corvette. 61 white Corvette. 61 white Corvette. All right, we got how about a 36 Ford Roadster? 36 Ford Roadster. Nice ride, man. Nice ride. All right. I bet the check. You pay $10 for it. You pay $10 to get in. I gave you 20. You're supposed to pay 10. Okay. No, give it to the Mustang guy. All right, we got a 36 Ford Roadster. Yep. Cavalry. They just tell me. I read what they tell me, brother. All right. Studebaker. I think that's red. The red Studebaker with the tires as big as my house. Somebody didn't come up to it.
I imagine a ton of cash, too.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Yes. You too. Hope to see you next year.
57 Olds, 88. The black one back here behind us, that's right. 1995 old Mustang. I have no idea what color. Black. Black. There he comes, there he comes, the 1990. Larry.
Thank you very much.
There you go, Larry.
Smart, come on, why don't you say a word or two to these guys? Thank you. Got one more? Got one more? Wait a minute.
I called them all out. Hold on.
Wait a minute, we had somebody that didn't come up.
That was that truck that left. Yeah, that's Chevy truck. It was a red and white Chevy truck that left.
Oh, the truck is
The truck had left.
No.
He left, you don't get it. That's simple. He left, you didn't say, you pick a car. Hold on, we're going to get another car. He left, that's why he don't get a trophy. We don't hold him. The 1938 Oldsmobile. 1938, anybody know a color? Silver. There he is, coming up right here. Here he is. All right. There you go, my friend.
Come on back, Mr. Sparks. Talk to him. Tell him something.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man that's responsible for all this today, Mr. Sparks.
Thanks for everybody coming out here. We look forward to this every year. I enjoy this, seeing all the cars and everything. Don't let this scare you, but I'm one of you. I've had a half a dozen of these over the last 20 years, and you know, you keep them 3 or 4 years. Get tired of looking at them, and then you lose your tush when you sell them, but you go back and get another one, and I understand the whole affliction. But we do appreciate you coming out, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.
We're going to work it out. All right, thanks, Mr. Sparks. Thanks, everybody. Everybody, be careful. I got to play.